Hello again and welcome to brand new content about TISAX. I hope you will enjoy the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. For more information and the latest blog, visit us at www.tsaxusa.com. Like always, we will jump right in, so let's get started. North American manufacturing is entering a new phase. Billions of dollars are flowing into regional production. Companies are investing, factories are expanding, supply chains are changing. The automotive industry is moving quickly toward a future built around resilience, flexibility, and stronger regional manufacturing networks. Nearshoring is no longer an idea, it is happening. Production that once stretched across oceans is increasingly moving closer to home, the United States, Mexico, and Canada. North America is becoming more connected than ever, and that is good news. Shorter supply chains, better collaboration, reduced uncertainty, more manufacturing stability. But there is a side of nearshoring that almost nobody talks about: information security. Because when production moves, information moves too. Topics like engineering drawings, CAD files, prototype information, supplier quality records, manufacturing specifications, testing results, customer requirements, production systems, remote access connections, cloud platforms, and supplier portals. The modern automotive industry does not only move physical products, it moves information, a lot of information, and that information often becomes one of the most valuable assets a company owns. As supply chains become more integrated across North America, information sharing increases. More suppliers, more vendors, more systems, more digital collaboration, more third-party connections, more risk. Many organizations think cybersecurity risk belongs primarily to IT departments, but that view is becoming outdated. Today, information security directly impacts operations, production engineering, quality, supplier relationships, business continuity, and customer trust. A supplier may have world-class manufacturing capabilities, outstanding quality, excellent delivery performance, competitive pricing, but if they cannot properly protect sensitive information, that can become a business problem very quickly. Particularly in automotive manufacturing, OEMs increasingly expect suppliers to demonstrate information security maturity, not because security is becoming trendy, because information risk creates operational risk. Think about a modern automotive supply chain: engineering teams collaborating across borders, manufacturing facilities sharing information, third-party service providers connecting remotely, suppliers exchanging customer data, prototype protection requirements, testing environments, product development systems. The more connected manufacturing becomes, the more important information security becomes. Nearshoring changes where manufacturing happens, and it also changes where risk exists. And companies that understand this early may position themselves better for future business opportunities. Information security is no longer simply an IT initiative. It is becoming a business requirement, a competitive differentiator, part of operational resilience, part of customer trust, part of long-term supply chain strength. Frameworks like TISAX are becoming increasingly relevant because organizations need ways to demonstrate that sensitive information is protected appropriately. Not every company will require the same approach, but every company should understand the direction manufacturing is moving. North America is building stronger regional supply chains, and the companies that prepare now may be better positioned tomorrow. Nearshoring builds the future, information security protects it. My name is Daniel McLean, and I hope this information will be helpful. And if you need more information or have detailed questions, feel free to reach out to us at www.tsaxusa.com. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for more informational content about TISAX.